Meaning of endothermic.
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 Endothermic. Endothermic is a term used to describe a chemical reaction or process that absorbs heat from its surroundings. This means that the system gains energy from the environment, resulting in a decrease in the temperature of the surrounding environment. The absorption of heat causes the reactants to gain energy, often leading to an increase in the complexity of the molecules involved. Endothermic reactions are commonly used in processes such as photosynthesis and the breakdown of food in the body. In summary, endothermic reactions absorb heat and result in a decrease in temperature of the surrounding environment.